Hey you guys! So yesterday I had promised you all that I will be talking about refrigerator beauty. There are some skincare products that I purchased. I purchased skincare so much more than the clothes from the UK. So I store them in a refrigerator, in a mini refrigerator in my room. And it gives a lot of difference. I have seen a lot of difference in my skin. If you don't have a mini fridge, you can just use your kitchen fridge. A part of kitchen fridge you can just utilize for storing your skincare products. Now I'll be sharing some products that I have purchased and I use straight from the refrigerator, so that you can get a gist of it and you can buy similar products for yourself. So once I opened my refrigerator, I quickly wanted to show you what all I keep inside the refrigerator. These are random clay masks, pink clay mask, argan oil clay mask. Sorry about this. Then this is orange and black lava exfoliating mask. This is charcoal clay mask. This is a bubble mask. I want to try this out probably on an IGTV or Instagram story. Then these are a couple of brightening under eye hydrogel mask. I would be trying these as well. These are eye tissue mask. I have tried this one. These are very cooling, really amazing. Hyaluronic acid and coconut water. This one is with orange juice and hyaluronic acid. So I use these masks like twice or thrice a week. This one is really good. This is deep cleansing mud mask. This is very good for acne prone skin. I was having a lot of acne. I'm still having a little acne because of the mangoes that I have been eating. But yeah, this one is really good for acne. So I have some of these masks. Then this is Shake and Shot mask by Dr. Jayat. This is a rubber mask and I'm really excited to try this one on an IGTV. This is something different. I'm going to try this one very soon. Guys, these were all the masks that I purchased from the UK and I had some of them before. Very quickly, I want to talk about these spoons that I use twice a day to depuff my eyes. It's very good for under eye circles. You just have to use this concave side on your eye and it gives you a nice cooling effect. So twice a day, these spoons apply on your eyes directly. And this is my favorite under eye hydrating mask. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is really good for wrinkles and it hydrates your under eye delicate skin. This is also one of my favorite products. This is hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5. This is very good for uneven skin tone. I apply it over my acne and I basically apply this all over my face because it evens out your skin tone and it's really good. As you can see, I have been using this and I've purchased one more bottle of this. So you don't get this in India, but if you find something similar like this in India, which is hyaluronic acid based, yeah, you should get it. The next is Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is very good serum which you can use at night. This repairs your skin at night and it's like a thick serum which you apply and sleep in. You don't have to wash it. This is something which I want to try. I haven't tried this as of now because I'm using some other toner. So I'm using Kiehl's toner at the moment and I want to try this because I've heard good reviews about this. This is Pixie's Glow Tonic with 5% glycolic acid. A lot of people from UK talk about this. This is a UK brand, so I'm really excited to try this one. For now, I will just keep this here. So when I'd come, it was really hot, like 42 degrees hot. So I bought this 50% SPF Garnier sunscreen. I spray this. This is a spray bottle. I spray it on my hands and legs and yeah, it's water based, so it's quite nice. This is Nip and Fab Vitamin C Fix Brightening Pads. These are like 60 pads. You have to take one pad at a time and you have to rub your face with these pads. My sister introduced me this and it is life changing. It is very good for uneven skin tone. I haven't opened this yet because I purchased two of the salicylic pads. These are life changing. You have to rub the pads on your clean face and you will see a lot of difference. So I have used one of this and one is already empty, so this is the second one. This is done. So you know the obsession I have with avocado. This is again from UK. This is Kiehl's Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. I swear you guys, this is exactly like avocado. The consistency, the texture, and you don't need a lot of this. I have applied this mask like 10 times and only this much has been used. It is so amazing, so hydrating. This is real good and anti-aging stuff. The next mask that I keep inside the fridge is Kiehl's Calendula Aloe Vera Soothing Hydration Mask. This is also a hydrating mask. Because India is so hot, I need something cooling. So that's the reason I keep everything in the refrigerator. This is a gel consistency hydration mask. It cools your face down. It's very good when you come from outside and you can directly apply after washing your face. It gives you a very cooling effect. And again, these ones are Clarisil Rapid Action Pads. These are very good for clearer skin. I haven't used them as of now, but I plan to start using them. This has salicylic acid again. It's similar to the Nip and Fab salicylic acid, but I wanted to purchase different company products just to see which one is better. So yeah, this is the other product that I have. And last but not the least is a face mist. This is amazing for cooling effect on your face. This has a very nice essence to it and you just have to spray it directly on your face and your neck, and it's really good. So it is scientifically proven that even hot air can cause pigmentation on your skin. So I usually keep everything inside the refrigerator so that my skin doesn't become warm in the heat. Now it's fine, like now it's raining, it's really good. But in the summers when I was here, I really needed to keep my surface of the skin neutral or cold. If it is hot, then it causes pigmentation and you start getting those pigmentation spots. So this was the reason I started using refrigerator. There's one more reason. Your shelf life of the products increases when you keep them in a refrigerator and the performance is really good. So in fact, on a lot of products they mention that keep in a cooler and a dry area, and of course India is not cooler all the time, so you need to keep the products good and also the shelf life increases. So that's again a plus point. I also wanted to emphasize on doing the spoon technique. For all the girls who have dark circles and puffy eyes, I think you should just try keeping your spoons, 2 spoons inside the refrigerator or a freezer, and use it directly once you wake up and before sleeping for 5 minutes on your eyes. You will see a lot of difference in a month's time. So do give it a try. Let me know your queries in the comment section below and share this video. Whoever needs this video, yeah, just share it with them. Bye.